Striae Atrophicae are stretch marks of the skin, resulting from atrophy of the dermis and overextension of the skin. Striae Atrophicae treatment. Various treatments are available for the purpose of improving the appearance of existing striae atrophicae. Only your doctor can advise whether any of these treatments are appropriate for your specific medical situation. Always discuss all treatment options with your doctor before making a decision, including whether to start or discontinue any treatment plan. Learn more about striae treatment. Visit the link below. Link in description.